Understanding the SALT pregnancy test.
Hello, dear viewers. Today we're going to dive into an interesting topic, the SALT pregnancy test. You may be familiar with the typical over-the-counter pregnancy tests, but what about this home remedy? Let's find out how it's different and what you need to know about it.
What is a SALT pregnancy test?
The SALT pregnancy test is a DIY home pregnancy test method. This test utilizes regular table salt and a sample of a woman's morning urine. The theory is that if you're pregnant, the salt will react to the human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG, a hormone present in the urine of pregnant women, and clump together. If you're not pregnant, the salt should dissolve without any noticeable change.
How is a SALT pregnancy test different from other home pregnancy tests?
Unlike commercial home pregnancy tests, the SALT pregnancy test doesn't have any standardized procedure or scientifically validated results. It's a folk remedy and its accuracy has not been confirmed in medical studies. On the other hand, over-the-counter pregnancy tests are specifically designed to detect HCG levels in urine. These tests are typically very accurate, particularly if you use them after your period is late. They're regulated by health authorities, come with clear instructions, and provide a straightforward result, usually a line or symbol, to indicate pregnancy.
Can you rely on a SALT pregnancy test?
The simple answer is no. It's crucial to remember that home remedies like the SALT pregnancy test are not reliable. Many factors, such as the amount of salt, the concentration of urine, and even the interpretation of the clumping, could influence the results. If you think you may be pregnant, you should use a recognized over-the-counter test or consult your doctor. While it's fascinating to learn about various home remedies and DIY tests like the SALT pregnancy test, they're not a substitute for medically validated methods. We hope this video helped to clarify how it differs from more conventional home pregnancy tests, and why it's always best to stick with the ones that have been scientifically tested. Stay safe and healthy, everyone.